about half a kilo, about a tablespoon of yogurt, half a teaspoon for the olive oil, a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of za'atar. This is optional. And for the rest of our spices, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon, which is gonna be paprika, black pepper, chili powder, masala powder, and salt. And now we're gonna mix. So I'm gonna make a little bit of hummus on the side. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need half a cup of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of tahini. We're gonna need 1 garlic, a tablespoon of lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. So let's start. I'm gonna add the garlic now. Add the tahini now. Now we're gonna add our lemon.